Hello, YouTube viewers. I'm Ryan Chan, the CEO and founder of UpKeep. Today, we are going to touch on a topic that is shaking the foundations of industries worldwide: the rapidly increasing complexity of systems due to artificial intelligence and machine learning. We will be taking a deep look into a case study of a mining company's multi-million-dollar investment, which didn't quite go as planned, and exploring the broader implications for industries as they race towards automation and robotics. Stay tuned to learn about the hidden costs and the potential skill gaps that can arise from this shift, a lesson that will be invaluable to maintenance and operations teams around the world. Did you know that a mining company once invested over $10 million to transition 20% of its fleet to autonomous vehicles, robotics, and automation as a pilot program? Sounds like a smart move, right? Well, not quite. At first, the new equipment worked wonderfully, but soon, the company realized that it lacked the skills and expertise to inspect, maintain, and repair the equipment. Only a very specialized robotics engineer could understand all of the complex parts and components, and that individual had to come from the equipment manufacturer itself. Since this mining company was located in a remote part of the world, it could take weeks for them to schedule a maintenance technician to come, and in the meantime, the vehicle sat idle. So what did the company do? After the pilot program was complete, they concluded that they simply could not hire the level of skills and expertise internally or rely on the vendor for ongoing inspections and maintenance. Instead, they chose to return to the old way. They would purchase common equipment and return to hiring low-skilled labor. And this isn't an isolated case. Systems are only increasing in complexity as things like artificial intelligence and machine learning developments accelerate. I recently visited the OpenAI office to learn more about the next generation of solutions, and was astounded by the incredible complexity of these evolving AI solutions. In fact, highly skilled software engineers are so dialed into one specific aspect of this technology that no singular person even understands the whole system. If the software engineers, with years of education and experience in creating these solutions, can't understand it all, who in the world will be able to maintain these solutions in the future? This problem is infiltrating every aspect of life. As things like our home appliances grow in sophistication, so do the number of potential failure points. I drive a Tesla, and I've quickly come to realize that the cost to fix my car often exceeds the cost of the car itself. In fact, most of the Tesla Model Ys that experienced collision accidents and were totaled by insurance companies had fewer than 10,000 miles on the odometer. If you consider that the retail prices of those cars are between $60,000 and more than $80,000, you can imagine the cost of repairs that warrant salvaging such vehicles. This is a growing trend that those manufacturers who choose to automate and invest in robotics will soon be facing. Really, it's an age-old issue. Anytime manufacturers consider purchasing new production equipment, they look at the initial cost to buy and install, as well as the ongoing operating and maintenance costs. We need to make sure we complete the same due diligence when we consider transitioning to highly complex automation and robotic solutions, understanding the skills and costs required to maintain these new systems. But here's the problem. Innovative solutions in this space are developing so rapidly that our education and training systems simply can't keep up. Yes, we need to upskill our workforce and train the next generation to understand and manage these complex systems, but that takes time. Right now, we can train operators to learn to become maintenance technicians. Yet the skills gap is really a chasm for these individuals to get anywhere close to understanding robotics and automation to the level required for effective maintenance and repair. If our software experts don't understand these systems in their entirety, how can our education and training systems even begin to prepare workers to do so? Are we innovating so fast that maintenance and reliability can't reasonably catch up? As we continue to look for solutions to our labor shortage through robotics and automation, we need to make sure we don't forget the cost to maintain. Thank you for joining us today. We've explored the increasing complexity of systems due to AI and machine learning, and the hidden costs and skills gaps that can arise from this shift. Remember, as we race towards automation and robotics, it's crucial to consider the maintenance and reliability of these systems. If you found this content valuable, please subscribe to our channel for more insights. To learn more about how UpKeep can help your maintenance and operations teams navigate these challenges, visit us at upkeep.com.